Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Whitney and this is my journey to freedom. I am an up and coming affiliate marketer. I'm pretty much starting from scratch. I have a basic laptop, one screen, laptop camera, nothing fancy. I'm just hoping to break those 9 to 5 chains and hopefully you can come on this journey with me and we can all do it together. So one of my first videos I want to do is on how to buy a domain name. So first you're going to go to namecheap.com or really in domain name site and you're going to look for a name. Break the 9 to 5. Let's see if this is taken. It is, so we'll keep going. Break out of the 9 to 5. That's taken too. Break out of 9 to 5. That's taken. I might do something a little shorter because people like things that are easier to remember. So break out 9 to 5. Looks like it's available. So we're going to add it to the cart. So we'll go up here, view cart, total. So under $10 for the year, which is not bad. We don't really need anything else, just the basics. So we're going to confirm order. So since I've ordered before, they're just going to use my previous order history. So everything looks good. So we're just going to hit pay now. Work. So it's processing the order. And we're done. So I just purchased the domain name, 1 year for $10. And that's it. Then you're ready to go. So in some of my future videos, I'll show you what we're going to do with it. But I just want to do the starter video just in case people didn't understand how to buy a domain name. So if you like this video, just put a like and subscribe to my channel for some more up and coming videos. I'll see you around.